Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting tutorial for you. We're going to show you how to extend an image using AI with the help of a fantastic tool called Photopea. So, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to photopea.com. This is a free online photo editing tool that we'll be using today. Next, upload the image you want to extend. You can do this by clicking on the File menu and then Open, or simply by dragging and dropping your image into the browser window. Once your image is uploaded, we need to resize the canvas. Go to Image, then Canvas Size, and set the dimensions to 1000 by 1000 pixels. Remember, 1000 pixels is the limit. Beyond that dimension, it won't allow you to generate the extended image. Now, adjust the image you want to extend. In this example, I reduced the size of the image to extend all sides of the image. Next, select the side to extend using the selection tool. You can find this tool in the toolbar on the left side of the screen. After making your selection, go to the toolbar again, right-click on this, and select Magic Replace. Go to this box and type Extend Image and click on the Replace button. Please note that ads are loaded for free users. However, if you want to get rid of ads, you can subscribe to Premium. Once the ads are finished, the AI will automatically begin the process of extending your image. Here is the result. If you're not satisfied, you can repeat the process until you get the desired result. You can also refine any imperfections using the various tools available in Photopea. Like this one, select the imperfection by using the Rectangle Select tool, and then go to the Edit menu and choose Fill. Choose Content Aware from the drop-down list and click OK. And there you have it. You've successfully extended an image using AI. It's a simple and effective way to enhance your images, and the best part is that you can do it all for free. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post a new video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.